Alright people, so before you watch this video, this was intended to be a silent video. I don't regularly do these silent videos. But anyway, you're gonna hear some noise in the background, some deep breathing noises. My dad at the moment has got a blocked nose, so at some parts during the video you're gonna hear some loud breathing over the video. So I was just letting you know that before you started watching. And also the omelette was a bit overcooked, so just wait and see. And tell me your thoughts in the comments about the omelette. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. Alright people, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about these silent videos. Should I do more of them, or should I do the videos where I'm talking in them? Let me know in the comments, okay? As always, I hope you're all okay, and as always, peace out and take care. Peace.